video, and I'm with these people who just said join the code 99 if you're a YouTuber. Thank you guys so much for getting me to 40 subs. And yeah, and I'm not in an animal company or Gorilla Tag right now. I'm in Animal Rivals. I will start making content of Animal Rivals. But yeah, let's just get into this video. And I got no idea what we're doing. So what are we doing?
I want to play music.
It's gonna be copyrighted. I can't do it, buddy.
What's up, everybody? What's using you?
And a guy's also recording. And okay, guys, let's do 3v3. Let's do 3v3. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, 3v3. We might have to do a 2v2. We can do a 2v2. Alright. Guys, I'm gonna lock in here. My YouTube channel's Rookie GT6. Rookie GT6. But I post Gorilla Tag and Animal Company content. So I might have like 44 subs. I think I do have 44. He's won. Teammate, let's go, teammate. Oh, you're dead. Oh, yeah. GG's. Stay back here. Stay back here. Don't rush them. True. Just run away from that. Got him.
But I do not. I make videos, but I do
Over
not.
there. Hit him 27. Oh my, he's low.
How do you post it on YouTube?
You gotta download it.
Because guess what? I'm not a YouTuber, so what are you gonna do now?
I know. I am a YouTuber.
Round starting.
Man, I could be a big famous YouTuber right now. Or like 2-9. You take me out?
Oh, I'm one.
No, what do you guys think?
I'm one. I was one. He's low. He's one shot. Nice job. Yes, I won.
Look, Scammer gets scammed.